1. Outrider Coyote 4-wheel drive. The Outrider Coyote 4-wheel drive is not your average electric ride. It's a rugged, all-terrain off-road machine designed for exploration, independence, and sheer electric-powered adventure. With its 4-wheel drive system, the Coyote is built to conquer mountains, deserts, forests, and even muddy backwoods trails, offering a mobility solution that's perfect for adrenaline junkies, off-grid travelers, or individuals with physical limitations who refuse to be limited. Its unique design blends ATV durability with an electric drivetrain that provides instant torque, whisper-quiet movement, and low maintenance. The roll cage and adjustable suspension make it as safe as it is adventurous, and with optional solar charging, it's possible to stay off the grid for extended periods. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour and an electric range of up to 65 miles, this vehicle doesn't just go places, it conquers them. From military-grade toughness to its eco-friendly performance, the Outrider Coyote 4-wheel drive is redefining what personal electric transportation can do, opening up wild terrain to a broader range of explorers. 2. Halfbike II. The Halfbike II is a revolutionary twist on traditional cycling, a standing, pedal-powered three-wheeler that combines the motion of a bicycle with the steering of a scooter, all packed into a minimalist, upright design. It's engineered for the urban commuter who wants more than just transport. They want an experience. With its front pedaling system, responsive rear steering, and compact build, the Halfbike II delivers an intense core workout while navigating tight city corners and pathways with ease. It's incredibly lightweight, folds quickly for portability, and fits easily into public transport, elevators, or under a desk. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum and featuring solid rubber tires for maintenance-free operation, this bike turns heads and elevates the daily commute into something active and exciting. The ride feels natural, engaging, and incredibly fun once you get the hang of it, almost like skiing on pavement. Whether you're looking for a fitness boost, a sustainable commute, or simply a unique way to move, the Halfbike II offers a fresh new perspective on urban mobility. 3. MDT-1 e-scooter. The MDT-1 e-scooter is an electrifying blend of futuristic style and serious performance, created for riders who want more than just a casual cruise through the city. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum and carbon fiber, its design is as sleek as it is durable. Under the deck, it hides a powerful motor capable of reaching speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour, giving it a significant edge over typical e-scooters. It features dual suspension, puncture-proof tires, and front and rear disc brakes for a smooth, safe, and agile ride across urban terrain. What really sets the MDT-1 apart is its smart interface. With app connectivity, LED lighting, and real-time diagnostics right from your smartphone. It folds down easily for portability and charges quickly, making it a top-tier commuter option. Whether you're darting through traffic or taking the scenic route, the MDT-1 brings speed, stability, and sci-fi flair to the streets. It's a true, next-gen scooter built for those who see urban commuting as an experience, not a chore. 4. EMPA e-Cargo. The EMPA e-Cargo trike is the ultimate solution for urban deliveries and eco-conscious hauling, a futuristic electric-powered cargo platform that combines the efficiency of a bike with the utility of a mini truck. With its three-wheel design, it offers unmatched stability while hauling heavy loads, making it ideal for last-mile deliveries, mobile vendors, or small businesses. Its electric motor ensures quiet, emission-free operation, and the modular cargo space can be customized to carry everything from groceries to tools. The compact frame allows it to maneuver through narrow city streets and bike lanes with ease, reducing congestion and cutting down delivery times. The EMP is also built with ergonomics in mind, offering a comfortable ride even when fully loaded. It's not just about transport, it's about transforming how goods move in smart cities. Affordable, sustainable, and efficient, the EMPA e-Cargo trike is a glimpse into the future of urban logistics where practicality meets innovation. 5. GoBoat 2.0 Stealth. The GoBoat 2.0 Stealth is a personal watercraft that redefines what it means to have fun on the water. Compact, portable, and whisper quiet thanks to its electric motor. Unlike traditional boats, the GoBoat doesn't need a trailer, a dock, or even a large storage space. It inflates in minutes, assembles without tools, and fits in the trunk of your car, giving you the freedom to launch from virtually anywhere. The Stealth version adds a sleek black design for a more tactical, low-profile look that appeals to anglers, adventurers, and urban explorers. Powered by a high-efficiency electric motor, it can cruise lakes, ponds, and calm rivers for hours on a single charge. Its circular design offers 360 degrees mobility and stability, allowing for seated or standing operation. Whether you're fishing in tight spots, cruising silently at sunset, or exploring hidden waterways, the GoBoat 2.0 Stealth delivers pure freedom and adventure. It's innovation on the water, lightweight, accessible, and insanely fun. 6. Afreda S6. The Afreda S6 is a revolutionary folding electric trike designed to blend agility, safety, and portability into a single futuristic ride. Its standout feature is the dual-tilting front suspension system, which allows it to lean into curves like a traditional bike while keeping the stability of a trike, a rare engineering feat. Whether you're navigating sharp turns or uneven terrain, the Afreda S6 offers a smooth and secure ride thanks to its full suspension system and fat tires. Its folding mechanism is incredibly fast, collapsing in just seconds into a compact form that fits in elevators or the trunk of a car. It reaches speeds up to 40 km/h and has a range of up to 70 kilometers, making it perfect for city commutes or weekend adventures. With hydraulic brakes, integrated lights, and an intuitive display, the S6 combines safety and style. If you're looking for an electric ride that's practical, exciting, and truly different, the Afreda S6 is a bold step into the future of mobility. 7. HAMYAK ATV. The HAMYAK ATV is a crazy hybrid vehicle that fuses the mechanics of a snowmobile, ATV, and amphibious craft into one extreme machine. Designed for the most demanding terrain, the HAMYAK features tank-like treads that let it glide over snow, mud, sand, and even shallow water, making it a true go-anywhere vehicle. With a lightweight aluminum frame and compact body, it's nimble enough for tight spots yet tough enough for off-road punishment. Its gasoline engine delivers high torque and responsive acceleration, while the centered seating and handlebars give the rider full control. This isn't just a utility vehicle, it's built for adventure. Whether you're exploring the backcountry, working in remote locations, or just want to play hard outdoors, the HAMYAK delivers. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie and performs like a beast in real life. It's a testament to what happens when imagination meets mechanical genius. Number 8. Pony 4. The Pony 4 is a compact electric utility vehicle that's smart, sustainable, and purpose-built for the demands of modern urban life. Designed for last-mile delivery, small business logistics, or municipal services, the Pony 4 runs on clean electric power and features a compact four-wheel frame that makes it ideal for tight, congested environments. With a fully enclosed driver cabin, a modular cargo bay in the rear, and intuitive controls, this vehicle combines practicality with futuristic design. It offers a range of up to 100 kilometers and can carry sizable payloads, yet remains small enough to access alleys, bike lanes, and pedestrian areas. Its all-electric powertrain means zero emissions, ultra-quiet operation, and low maintenance costs, making it perfect for eco-conscious operations in smart cities. Whether it's transporting groceries, delivering parcels, or assisting with maintenance duties, the Pony 4 redefines urban logistics by offering a clean, efficient, and agile alternative to gas-powered delivery vans. It's the perfect match for companies and communities investing in a greener future. 9. DC Tree Electric Trike. The DC Tree Electric Trike is a three-wheeled ride that blends comfort, control, and convenience into a fun and practical mobility option for all ages. Built with a wide, stable base and a comfortable upright riding position, it's especially appealing to seniors, new riders, and anyone who values balance and ease of use. Powered by a robust electric motor, the DC Tree can cruise at speeds up to 20 miles per hour and offers a range of around 30 miles. More than enough for neighborhood trips, local errands, or campus commuting. Its twist-and-go throttle, front suspension, and puncture-resistant tires make for a smooth ride on urban streets or park trails. Plus, it comes with rear storage, safety lights, and even Bluetooth speakers in some models, making it as functional as it is fun. Whether you're looking for a way to stay mobile, get outdoors, or just ride something unique, the DC Tree electric trike offers a stable, stylish, and simple way to cruise the future. 10. Jeever Scooter. The Jeever Scooter is a premium electric scooter crafted for the modern commuter who refuses to compromise on design, tech, or performance. With its sleek, minimalist frame made from aerospace-grade aluminum, this scooter doesn't just look good, it rides like a dream. Folding in under 5 seconds, it's incredibly portable and perfect for multimodal commutes, fitting into offices, cafes, or public transit with ease. It reaches speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour and delivers a range of about 20 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for daily city travel. One of its standout features is smart connectivity. The Jeever pairs with your smartphone to track rides, battery status, and even anti-theft security. It's also equipped with regenerative braking, LED lighting, and shock-absorbing tires for maximum comfort and control. Designed and built in Europe, the Jeever scooter isn't just a ride. It's a lifestyle accessory that merges urban mobility with cutting-edge innovation. For riders who value both function and form, this is the ultimate way to commute smart and in style.